Skin tones and hair color are easy to paint with a limited palette. This Zorn palette of titanium white, yellow ochre, cadmium red medium, and ivory black is minimal yet effective. Since I'm painting in my sketchbook, I've applied gesso over my sketch with a palette knife to keep the drawing in place. To avoid losing the drawing guidelines, apply paint in small sections. You can pre-mix colors and apply the dark, medium, and light values much like you would in a paint by numbers piece. This painting took only 5 minutes to paint loosely. That's new for me, but it shows you how easy and efficient it is to paint with a limited palette. I, of course, like to add more details, so I spent another hour adding them with several fine brushes. And here's the completed acrylic portrait. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.